My name is Mandy Bishop. I'm an owner of Platypi Chocolate, an artisan chocolaterie and cafe in the beautiful Otway Ranges. We produce a variety of handmade chocolates on site.
I'm Mandy. I'm also co-owner of Platypi Chocolate. We have added additional staff in both the production and in the sales areas post-COVID. So we feel that's a particular success, but on top of that we've retained all of our team and we've had this time to refresh, renew, get some new ideas. And that's made a really major impact coming out of the COVID and Victorian lockdown periods.
We were open and closed. We weren't sure how many people we were going to have through the door, and we also had limited numbers allowed through the door. So that made our life a little bit difficult, and we had to adapt and look at new ways to prolong the life of product, and also just adapt to the way we actually produce the product so that we could do it in shorter runs and a quicker turnaround.
We are really proud to employ local people, including our neighbours, and to help them to develop, and along with us, to develop a skill set which will be transferable into future careers.
We get to live in a fantastic place, and we get to use local ingredients, and it's just a wonderful place to be.